If you are still finding it difficult to achieve this kind of packing gel using your client's natural hair, sit down pretty and watch this video to the end and you will learn it from this video. Let's go. So first of all, this my customer visited me from afar and she wanted to use this packing gel for her shape. The first thing I did was to make sure that her hair was relaxed. Thank God she relaxed her hair before she came so that the work would be more easier and faster. Then I packed her hair because this is a down due, not up due. I packed her hair. After packing the hair, remember when I was packing the hair, I didn't pack all the hair. I packed the important place. I left the other side because I know that I'm going to use my packing gel to slick other side down. While doing that, I will be styling and creating the style that she wanted at the same time. If you watch closely, I am using two brushes to achieve my packing gel. I'm always using my picking comb and my toothbrush anytime I am doing packing gel because one will help me for the application of the gel, the other one will help me for a proper brush, which is the picking comb, and I will always be using the back of the toothbrush to flatten the hair very, very well. And with the picking comb, I will always use it to brush to make sure that the hair will be very, very smooth. So I'm already at the front of her hair, and this particular side, I will part it using my picking comb. I will part it small, small, small. I'll create a small, small, tiny, tiny styles there. And anytime that I want to create this kind of style, I'm always working with my two combs, which is my toothbrush and my picking comb. The picking comb will always help me to pat the lines, while the toothbrush, I will use it to brush down the hairs. I will brush it down. After brushing it to the direction I want, then I will use the picking comb again to be patting the line so that it will come out very, very neat and fine. So if you are still finding it difficult to pat your client's hair any size you want, I think that this my own method will help you a lot. Use your brush the hair to the direction you want, then use the picking comb to pat it, maintaining a steady hand or a slant hand, depending how you want it. So we're about to start the main job. This is where a lot of people are still finding it very, very difficult. So if you watch closely, here I am picking the hair section by section because you need to work by section to achieve a very slick and smooth outcome. So make sure that you are always working with your toothbrush and your picking comb. You always use your toothbrush to apply your gel, and the picking comb I will always use it to be brushing the hair, and the toothbrush I will always use it to be directing the hair to the direction that I want. That is what I am doing here. Don't pack the hair once. Pick it section by section. Make sure that the hair will be well relaxed so that it will accept the gel. And if possible, mix your gel. I always mix my gel. So guys, you see how neat and sleek the hair was coming out effortlessly. You don't need to do too much. You just have to be following the right procedure to make your hair neat and fine, outstanding, so that anybody that she pass will ask her, where did you do your hair? So when I finished, I applied my spray gel. The reason why I applied my spray gel before I started drying because I wanted to tie the hair. I have tried that method and I love how the outcome is. So apply your spray gel, then you tie your hair. After tying the hair, you dry. Here I am drying. One of my students was helping me to dry while I was fixing the kinky. And this kinky, I didn't use any donor sponge to fold it. She came with donor sponge, but I didn't use the donor sponge because I already know the procedure that I will use, and I will still achieve that dough shape that she wanted at the back. I have used my rubber band to band the kinky, sewed it at the particular position I need, and here I am sewing the kinky, hiding my thread so that the kinky will be tight. The shape will give me what I wanted. When I finish, I still trim the kinky. That's my own method. I trim the kinky, remove some excess kinky, just small trimming. Then I used my invisible black net to cover and wrap up the hair. So guys, I am done cooking this beauty. From a scale of 1 to 10, rate this hair you are seeing. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Do you think that the procedure of this hair worth it? Do you love how thin and neat this hair was? Tell me in the comment section. Don't forget to follow this page, like, follow, comment, share if you love our work, and for more tips, comment. Bye.